ocean explorers! Welcome back to Lil'WhizKids, the go-to place for underwater wonders. Today, we're diving back into the ocean, deep into the mysterious world of jellyfish, those mesmerizing creatures that gracefully dance through the sea. Get your fins, goggles, and snorkel. It's time for a jellyfish jamboree. First things first, who are these wobbly wonders? Jellyfish are incredible sea creatures with umbrella-shaped bodies and long, trailing tentacles. There are many different types, and each one is like a unique piece of living art. Picture this. Jellyfish move by, contracting and relaxing their bell-shaped bodies, propelling themselves through the water with a rhythm that's almost like dancing. It's like they're floating on a sea breeze of magic. Now, jellyfish might look dreamy, but those tentacles aren't just for show. They use them to catch food and protect themselves. Some jellyfish have tentacles with tiny stinging cells called nematocysts. It's like having a built-in security system. Guess what makes some jellyfish even more magical? They can glow in the dark. Bioluminescent jellyfish light up the ocean with their own natural glow. It's like having underwater fireflies in the sea. What's on the menu for these ocean drifters? Jellyfish dine on tiny fish, plankton, and even other jellyfish. It's like having a gelatinous feast in the underwater cafeteria. Let's finish with a few amazing facts about our slimy friends. Jellyfish have been living in the oceans for a super long time. They have been swimming around Earth for over 500 million years. They predate dinosaurs and even some of the earliest forms of life on Earth. Unlike many other animals, jellyfish don't have a brain or blood. Instead, they have a loose network of nerves called a nerve net, which helps them respond to their environment. Jellyfish are capable of regenerating damaged or lost body parts. If a jellyfish is injured, it can often recover and grow back its tentacles or other damaged areas. And that, my little ocean buddies, concludes our jellyfish jamboree. If you enjoyed this underwater adventure, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more sea-filled escapades. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being curious about the wonders of the deep blue. Bye for now.